Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Harshal and this is Object Oriented Programming Lab experiment number 8, exception handling. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. The exception is mainly that when you are going to do something in normal flow and some error occurs or some obstacle comes by doing that operation, that is known as your exception. And when the exception occurs by running the program and it throw that exception, that is array out of bound exception and null pointer exception, input output exception, etc. That exceptions come while running the program, that occurs several times when you run the program, and you don't know how that happens, so that is known as your exception. And the handling of exception is done by try and catch block, and throws keyword is also used when we are trying to handle that exception. And when we put the exception in a catch block and we throw, so that it prints the value that is written in the catch, that is known as your exception handling. In the first program, that is we have to generate exceptions, that is arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, and array out of bound exception. This is the program. In that, in a try catch block, this catch block will throw arithmetic exception when we are going to do the division operation, and when 10 is divided by 0, because division cannot be done by 0, then it will print or throw the exception, that is arithmetic exception, because 0 cannot be divided by 10. Then afterwards, when a string is equal to null, then it will print null pointer exception, because string cannot be should not be null. Then when integer is converted into string, then means integer dot parseInt, when the number is going to convert into string, that it means when we take the user input, or when we statical input, it will print number format exception. And when in array out of bound exception, when the elements are only 10 and we are trying to access 11th element that we don't have, so it will print array index out of bound exception. While running the output, it will show the arithmetic exception, because the first 10 number cannot be divided by 0. The null pointer exception, because a string should not be initialized null. Then input error, because integer dot parseInt, we are entering integer, but here is the string, so it will show number format exception, and we are trying to access their 11th element, but the array is of 10, so it will show array out of bound exception. After this program, the second program, that is create a class to represent an employee with employee id, name and age as attributes. Create a main class. Create an employee object by getting the employee ID, name and age as input, and check the constraints as given below. Also generate and handle the user defined exception if the user is not proper as per the following constraints. This employee ID should be 1000 to 300, otherwise throw invalid employee exception, or else the name is number, invalid name exception must be thrown. And age is greater than 60 and less than 18, throw an invalid age exception. After this, the program, that is exception, here is exceptions class I have taken in package exception. In main it is throwing exception, that is int employee id, int employees, and name, that is null. It will print null pointer exception, but we are taking the number, that is employee id, employee name, and age. And in constructor here the parameters is taken in try. Here it will check id, and it will throw in main as the same also here. After that in employee it is taking the parameters from the constructor, and it will check if em- id check int employee id throws employee main, then it will check employee id is less than 1000 and uh, less than 1000 and greater than 3000. It will throw invalid employee exception, and else it will print employee id is correct. After that it will check the number, that is string employee name. Inside that int I is equal to 0, I is less than employee name dot length, and it will print if character dot is digit, then it will check character by character, and false it will return -1. And it is not there, it will return 1 and return employees. And we have to check age of employee, that is age is less than 18 and greater than 60. Then it will throw the exception, that is invalid age exception, and employee age is correct, it in else but it will show. And in void check name, if number employee name is equal to -1, it will throw invalid name exception, and employee name is correct. After that in employee it will take the output, it will print this operation that is in given message, and it will print all this thing. Here I will show the output. This is the output of the program. Now it is asking us to enter the number, so I enter only 100, and name I enter this number, and suppose I enter is 10. This is throwing the exception, that is invalid employee id exception, invalid name, and invalid age. This is throwing this exception because the given parameters are not matching this condition. So this is throwing the exception. Now again I enter employee id, that is 2000, and name suppose I wrote Steve, and age is 20. This is showing employee id is correct, employee name is correct, and employee age is correct. As per the given conditions, our conditions are belonging between this. So this is the output of the program. This is experiment number 8, exception handling. Thanks for watching my video.